All right, guys, so I just pulled onto my little dead-end road here, my little quarter-mile drag strip. I don't do that. And let's just see how this car performs. This is the one with the throttle body codes. All right, so there it is, and there's full throttle. That is full throttle. You saw how it fell on its face. God, I hate CVTs. All right. Let's try that again. Just see what it does. All right, so full throttle. Obviously, there is something majorly going wrong here. And I think it's just the throttle body. But we're going to get back to the shop and we're going to check out these codes, see what they are, and see where we go from there. So if you guys get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. It'll help me make more videos and better content. That's it for now. You guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.